guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making agua de Jamaica, which is hibiscus tea, in the Ninja Foodi blender. You guys, it's super easy, quick, and great for the entire family. We're adding to our playlist of summer drinks. We are going to be adding to that. So make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and if you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. I will have the links to everything that I use. But let's go ahead and get started with making our Jamaica. Alright, so to get started, we're going to need 5 cups of water. You'll also need 3/4 cups of sugar and 1 cup of hibiscus flowers or Jamaica. So we're going to go ahead and add our water first. Oh. All right. Then we will close our lid. And we're actually going to boil the water first. So we're going to select cook. All right. On high. And it should take about 5 to 10 minutes for it to start boiling. Once it's boiling, we can add the hibiscus to it and continue on. We'll be back. Alright, so just about 10 minutes and our water is boiling. We're going to go ahead and add our hibiscus to it. You will want to allow it to boil or cook for 15 minutes. So we're going to allow it to finish soaking or basically absorbing for 15 minutes, no longer than 15 minutes. If you do longer than 15 minutes, you run the risk of it being bitter. So 15 minutes is the max. We'll be back. You can continue, you can leave it on low. We'll do cook, low, cook. Alright, and in 15 minutes we'll be back. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and shut this off. We're at 15 minutes. Now we need to strain it. I'm actually going to strain it into 2 cups of, or in a pitcher with 2 cups of ice. And be careful, it is hot. Oh, I'm spilling. Sorry, guys. Just go ahead and press that down, make sure we get all of the remaining flavors. Now we can kind of put this on the side. Alright, I'll fix that. Alright. Then we can add our sugar. And this is where I say 3/4 cups of sugar. You can add 1/2 cup of sugar. Our family likes to do it with 3/4 cups of sugar. We like it a little bit sweeter. So you can kind of add sugar little by little for your preference. And there you have it. We have agua de Jamaica or hibiscus tea made right in our Ninja Foodi blender. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Alright, and there we have it. We have our agua de Jamaica or hibiscus tea. I'm going to go ahead and get a cup and we can taste it. Alright, and there we have it. We have our water. We're going to go ahead and try it. Delicious. So that's it, you guys. It's that easy. That's how you make agua de Jamaica or hibiscus tea in the Ninja Foodi blender. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. But until next time, have a great night.